guys, how you doing? My name is Tommy and I run the YouTube channel, The Gallery Backyard Barbecue. But for today, I'll be guest chefing over at GrillGrate YouTube channel. Basically what I have for you today is a nice piece of salmon grilled with an Asian twist. We will have full recipe in the description, but first off is a cup of soy. We have 1/8 of a cup of Hoisin sauce, 1/8 of a cup of honey. Oh yeah, honey for the money, honey for the money. And from there, we're gonna go with a couple dashes of sesame oil. A little less than 1/8 of a cup of light brown sugar. We've got about 5 garlic cloves, chopped, a couple slices of peeled ginger, and of course we got about 1/8 of a cup of green onion. You want to get that all mixed up. You want to marinate the salmon and shrimp in the fridge. And we're looking at about a 2 to 8 hour marinade. I do believe I did about 3 hours. Oh yeah. Oh. That's no big deal. Oh yeah. So look, you definitely want to reserve about half that marinade in the fridge for basting and for a little dipping sauce at the end. Oh yeah, dipping sauce. That's good stuff. All right, guys, so look, this is where we at. We have our reserve marinade. We got our salmon and shrimp that have been marinating for about 2.5 to 3 hours. You could safely go anywhere up to 8 hours. I've got my white rice, and yes, there is a recipe for white rice. Information down in the description, and of course I got some steamed asparagus. So guys, look, without further ado, it is time to grab your grill grate and let's get grilling. So look, we got the Masterbuilt 800 at about 550 Fahrenheit. The grill grates are tailing along at about 475 Fahrenheit. We got some duck spray down. We'll get our asparagus down. These are steamed asparagus. And we will get our salmon down. Look, the trick here, get your salmon down, get good contact, shut the hood, 3 minutes, don't touch it. Oh yeah, let it cook. After the 3 minutes up, get your special designed spatula from GrillGrate. It fits right in there nicely, and give it a 1/4 turn. And also when you drop it in, try to get a different spot on the GrillGrates if you can. At this time you can do a little basting. Oh, and a little pouring, why not? After that 3 minutes is up, give her a flip. Oh yeah. And that's what you get from GrillGrate, as long as you don't peek. And after the flip, of course, you want to get some marinade down. It's gotta be. And you can drip this stuff right on the grill grates, and it'll actually will put up a fragrance into the fish or whatever it is you're cooking. Neat little trick. At that point, we will get our shrimp down, and we will let this run about another 3 minutes, and then it is time to plate it up. All right, guys, look, that is it. 3 minutes, turn, quarter turn, 3 minutes, flip, 3 minutes, and basting along the way with the reserved marinade, and you are good to go. Oh, yeah. All right, so look, after that, probably about 9 minutes total time, we will get this bad boy plated up, get it on the board, turn the cameras, and get a taste test, of course. There you go. So look, after you get this plated up, you're going to want to drizzle some of that leftover marinade into the rice and on the fish, and also you could use some for a dipping sauce. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. All right, guys, look, that is it for this one, and trust me, if I can do it, you can do it too. All right, so look, without further ado, let's go in and get a taste test. Oh, man. I mean, I'm just gonna dive right into the salmon. Cheers. So look, right off the bat, you know this is the salmon with an Asian twist. I mean, the marinade just pairs perfectly for my taste. It just gives it that little extra tang that I think sometimes fish needs. All right, guys, look, that is going to be it for this one. Again, I want to thank GrillGrate for allowing me to cook for them. Get out and grill something, man. The summer of 21 is underway. And until next time, we will see you soon.